Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp QR code scanning problem. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So before starting this video, let me show you guys there are two methods of scanning QR code. One is by clicking on this camera icon over here and scanning the QR code using your camera, and the other one is by clicking on this chat icon over here down below, and then you can click on this code icon over here and like scan the person's QR code over here by scan code. Now remember, if you are facing like the QR code scanning problem, first make sure like your camera is clear. Like make sure like your camera lens of your phone is clear. Like if it is dirty, then make it clear, because like the QR code scanning problem may also arise due to some kind of other object, like other physical object which is blocking the camera on your phone. So make sure to clean your camera, and if it still doesn't scans it, then what you can do is like you can tell your friends to do this. They can go on their chat and go on this icon over here, and after clicking on this icon, tell them to click on their my code, and after clicking on my code, click on this three dot and click on reset QR code. Tell them to do that and click on reset. After doing this, the QR code is going to be reset, and tell them to send this new QR code to you. And after they send you this new QR code, scan it and it should fix your problem. And if it still doesn't fix your problem, then the other thing could be if your WhatsApp is not up to date. So make sure your WhatsApp is up to date, and after updating your WhatsApp, basically to check if your WhatsApp is up to date or not, you can just go to your Play Store. Let me go to my Play Store and show you if my WhatsApp is up to date. As you guys can see, my WhatsApp is up to date since there's an open button over here. But if there's an update button instead of open, that means I need to update my WhatsApp. So make sure WhatsApp is up to date, because a bug might be causing this problem, and WhatsApp brings new update to fix their bug. So update to fix that bug so you can scan the QR code of your friend again. So if this problem arises even after you update the WhatsApp, then the last option is to delete WhatsApp and install again, because if this problem is caused by some corrupted file, then deleting and reinstalling WhatsApp is the easiest way to fix it. So yeah, these are the solutions. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye. And if you guys have any questions related to this video, feel free to comment down below as well. Have a nice day everybody.